Ah. People keep telling me when I come to Jamaica, I gotta try some KFC because Jamaica has the best KFC in the Caribbean. So what I did was stop by the local KFC over here in Montego Bay and I grabbed me a barbecue zinger. That was specifically recommended. Grab that right there. Let's get a bite into this. That's lovely. And to wash it down, I picked me up a bottle of Wray and Nephew. This is my first sip ever of Wray and Nephew. I keep hearing shit about this, how it's so strong. Let's try for the first time. Woo! That motherfucker's strong. Shit. Keep eating this burger though.